Disclaimer: this video's information are possible reasons and possible solution only. What does this message means? You have reached the maximum purchase limit for that specific product or offer. Many shopping platforms set a restriction on how many units a single user can buy. This limit can be applied per order, per day, per account, or per promotion campaign. The system automatically blocks further purchase attempts once the allowed quantity is crossed. Why showing this error usually appears due to purchase restriction rules set by the platform or seller. One common reason is that the product is part of a limited stock sale or special discount campaign where each user can buy only a fixed number of items. Another reason can be that you already bought this product earlier using the same account. Sometimes the system also tracks device address, payment method, or delivery address and applies limits based on that data. In some cases, it can also show due to technical cache issue or temporary server sync delay. What next? First, check your order history and confirm whether you already purchased the maximum allowed quantity. If yes, then you need to wait until the restriction resets, which may be after some hours, days, or next sale cycle. If you believe you did not exceed the limit, then try basic troubleshooting steps like clearing app cache, updating the app, logging out, and logging in again. You can also try using a different product variant if available, because limits may apply per variant. If the issue continues, then contact official customer support and explain your situation with screenshot proof. They can verify your account purchase eligibility and provide correct guidance. Always remember such limits are not errors in most cases, but system rules for fair usage. Understanding these rules helps avoid confusion